Hi, my name is Babuschkin. I'm a technical writer here at Encord, and today we'll be covering VLA segmentations using SAM3 in the Encord platform.
So here, for example, in our ontology, we have the unambiguous object car, and I can simply click detect all car objects with SAM3. Let's see what happens if I click this emoji. And as you can see, it's detected 100 cars in the matter of 2-3 seconds. That is it. We have 100 separate instances of a car. These can then all be selected and tracked forwards, backwards through different frames. And just imagine how many labels, how many accurate labels you have pumped out in a short amount of time. And if you pay attention to what's going on here, it's actually labeled just the cars. It seems to have omitted the buses, it seems to have omitted the trucks. So your annotators save huge amounts of time being able to use SAM3 and label all instances all at once, essentially.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information, check out our website, encord.com, or our documentation at docs.encord.com. I'll see you next time.